Hi, so we will continue our tutorial for drawing the charts and graphs with the Python library, and today we will start with drawing a bar chart with this library. So we will start with like x coordinates, and we will set the x coordinates for the bar, and then for example we wanted to show like for example population of different continents in the form of a bar graph. So we will set values for that, and then we will give some labels for it. So we can just call it p label, and we can simply set it here, for example like EU, and then we can set Asia, EU, US, and Africa. Then the last might be Australia. So after putting the labels, we will call the function for this plotting the bar chart, and here first we will give our x coordinates, and then we will pass our second parameter. So based on that the bars will be drawn, and you can see the height of the bars based on this parameter. And then there is a property called tick label, which we have set as p label, and then we can set the width 0.8, and we can also give colors to these bars, and here we can simply just give red and green at the moment. And after that we have to set the x label, like we will say x axis, and then our y label y axis. And after that we have to give the title. So this will be bar chart in Python, and in the last we always have to call the show function, and then we will run it. And yes, here we can see this bar chart in the Python. So we can see these bars after drawing from these points. So we will continue with this population example, and then we will draw a pie chart with Python library. And here since we already have imported that library on the top, we don't need to edit again, we will simply start with our labels, so that those labels will be basically our continents. So yeah, we'll start it with same like EU. It's just an example, I'm just putting some random values. It's not some like accurate kind of data, but just for your understanding that how basically we are using it. Last we will start here, and yes, after this we have to give the portion covered by each label, like our percentage of to be shown on that pie chart. So that is basically we can call this variable as slices, and that we can give some values, and then we can assign the colors for this also. So like red, yellow, green, and blue, and then we need to call the pie chart function, and here first we will pass our portion, like the values which how much have been covered by each slice. Then we have labels, and then colors, and then we have start angle, should be 90, and we can set shadow of the graph as true, and radius is equal to 0.2. Yes, those things would be enough, I guess. And then we can call the legend function because we need to show the legends as well. And finally we need to call plot.show, and we will run it. Okay, so there is some error we can see. Oh, I guess this one is, it should be capital T, and yeah, so yes, here we can see that we have a pie chart using Python. So let's, as we can see how we have drawn it. Keep watching the videos for the new tutorials, and we will continue our Python series. Thank you.